A transport group reiterates its call for a fare hike following today's big fuel price increase. Ched Gatchalian is on the phone for more. Ched.
My transport group Luzon staged a protest on Tuesday against the jumbo oil price hike which began to take effect today. Rallies convened at a gas station in Quezon City, emphasizing the impact of soaring oil prices to PUV drivers, operators, and even commuters. Piston President Modi Florando said transport workers are already burdened by consecutive pump price hikes since the end of May.
Mayo at 30 hanggang sa ngayon ay halos 27 pieces na yung muling na ibato sa bawat litro. At malaki yung walang kita ng ating mga driver. Kailangan isuspend o tanggalin itong oil regulation law. 29 years na namamayagpag at 29 years na rin ang pinapahirapan, hindi lamang ang mga driver.
The Energy Department announced earlier that gasoline prices may climb by 3 pesos and 66 centavos per liter. Diesel prices may go up by 10 pesos and 68 centavos per liter, and kerosene prices may soar to 11 pesos and 77 centavos. DOE said all firms agreed to implement the hikes on staggered basis, or the increases would be rolled out gradually over the coming days. But for Piston, this is not enough.
Kahit na gawin nilang pare-pareha, ang dating pa rin sa dulo, malaki pa rin. Hindi usapin ng dahan-dahan, parang ano yan eh. Parang bibitayin ka, pero dahan ka muna. Pero ang dulo papatayin ka din.
The group also urged President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to reflect on the situation of transport workers ahead of the SONA next week.
Ay ka-4 na taon ng kanyang panunungkulan, ikalimang na sana makita niya yung kahalagahan ng mga driver at mga operator, yung matagal na natin panawagan na pagpasura sa oil regulation law at tanggal sa isang sasabat at yung pagpasura sa tuwad ng modernization program. Sana makita ito ni BBM.
The group, together with other NAS organizations, also marched toward the LTFRB office to reiterate their calls for a fair hike. Mai?
Ched, does the group have any plans to be heard more by the government? Matagal na rin kasi yung panawagan nila for a fair hike.
Yes, Mai. Florando said they are planning to hold a bigger transport strike to reiterate their call for a 10 peso increase fare hike. No date has been finalized yet for the strike. Florando said if the minimum fare will be 23 pesos. Since the current minimum fare is 13 pesos, drivers will be able to earn the amount they lost from availing fuel products and other daily necessities. Back to you, Mai.
Thank you, Ched Gatchalian, reporting.